The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Tazewell County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Pekin, for 8 miles southwest of Pekin, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is the radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pekin, South Pekin, and Green Valley around 7:50 p.m. Tremont around 8 p.m. Morton around 8:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Mackinac. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 20 and 31. Interstate 474 between mile markers 13 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 98 and 106.